Alright folks, here comes Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. Your southbound destination of the train is San Jose Dierdon Station at Washington Avenue. San Leandro. And that 59 PHI leading this one off. This train having some mechanical problems earlier. This is Amtrak Capital Corridor train 529. All right, 2006. With 6965 Point St. George. That train is flying through Washington Avenue and is on its way to San Jose. I'm Marcel Hall. Thank you for watching live here at Washington Avenue on the new railroad crossing. Bye-bye now.